Here's how you can create reminders in Microsoft To Do. First example, workout. I set the time to 6 p.m. and the app automatically created a reminder. As you can see at the top, the reminder has a bell icon. This means it's a reminder and you'll get a sound notification. Next one, buy books. I set the time to 3 p.m. The reminder was created automatically. But this time, To Do took it as just a task, which is why there's no bell icon. Now, pollution certificate. I set a reminder for 6 months later. That means I'll get a pop-up notification exactly after 6 months. Update OLX weekly. As you can see, a recurring reminder is automatically created. It gives you a sound notification every week at 9. Now, I'll show you how to prioritize notifications. You can drag and drop one notification over another to set the order. I moved the weekend movie plan to second on the list and pushed the IKEA task down to the bottom. Next, how to delete a task. Just select the task and slide it left. It will be removed. Slide a task to the right to remove it from My Day. Missed reminders. Every day, as soon as you open the app, you'll get a list of missed reminders. You can add them to today's list by clicking the plus icon. List types. There are different types of lists. My Day shows all tasks for the current date. Important keeps your high priority items front and center. Planned shows all tasks with dates and times. Assigned to Me lists tasks assigned by other users. That way, you can plan each task easily. Similarly, you can also create your own custom lists for multiple purposes. Move items. Finally, you can move any created item into a different list. Microsoft To Do is an efficient tool to organize your tasks or plans in an easy way. Please try to use it to declutter your day.